Hey, what's up, guys? So today what we're going to do is set up this Elgato HD60 S Plus capture card. What we're going to need is obviously a laptop, your Xbox, PlayStation 5, and the capture card. Also Streamlabs on your computer. So that's what it looks like in the box. I got my brother doing it because he has experience with these capture cards, so he could probably do it a little better than me, but I also get tired of showing my handsome face online. And that's how it comes there. And when you open it up, that's what you get. The capture card, you get two USB cables. I think one's 2.0 and one's 3.0.
One's HDMI and one's a USB cable.
Oh, sorry. You get an HDMI cable and the USB cable, which is probably 3.0, right?
Yeah.
And then that's the capture card there. All right, so let's get right into this. All right, so that's the USB cable that we got out of the box. It's USB 3.0 because you need a fast USB port cable to be able to capture like 4K and all that good stuff. And so we plugged the USB cable into the laptop and plugged it into the capture card. And now what we're gonna do is, what are you doing now?
Plug the HDMI into, on the out part of the HDMI, on the capture card into the TV. And then I need to figure out which one's the Xbox, which I think is this.
So you put the HDMI in out to go to the TV?
Yeah.
And then the in, you have the USB cable that goes into the laptop, right?
HDMI in from the Xbox goes in here. And then the out source goes to the TV. It's a pass-through. And then just the USB cable is here.
Okay.
4K capture utility probably would make sense to turn on the Xbox for this to work.
All right.
Might help.
Might help just a little. All right, so we plugged it in and pops up, it looks like right away. Is that Streamlabs that you opened up? On your laptop?
This is Elgato's software. So it's right here.
So that's Elgato software. It pops up like automatically, as you saw. And as you can see, it's already connected.
I think I have to change the source. I don't know why it's trying to capture 2K. But yeah, that's their software you could use, which I don't. But you can if you want. It's an option. Or you can go on Streamlabs.
Yeah, open up Streamlabs. I think more people are gonna prefer that.
This piece of shit. Okay, so all you're gonna do in the sources section on Streamlabs, you hit the plus button. And since the Elgato is a video capture device, we're gonna add that. Go to add source.
Okay, and you can name it whatever.
Yeah, I'll name it Elgato for the purpose of the video. 60S plus. Add source. I'm not gonna use that.
Oh, look, I'm in the camera.
Use that. And I believe you have to hit this as well.
What, use custom audio device?
Yeah, sometimes it doesn't capture sound, but we'll test it out, whatever.
Okay, so as you can see, he's got it showing there just like how it is, like that.
Yep. And that's basically it. It's good to go. I'm trying to drag it, but I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out the software, though.
How do you connect like your Twitch and stuff to it?
Twitch, you just have to log in to your Twitch account. And then in here you have your stream chat, your viewers, all that kind of stuff here. So all you would have to do is hit the go live button.
Okay,
like
and then it asks you how to log into your Twitch. You need like a Twitch key?
No, you just have to log into your profile. They kind of got rid of the Twitch keys now.
But you can log into your profile, I mean, through the Streamlabs, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you just go here, go to confirm live. And that's it. Basically, you're just live right now with the capture card. So we can just test it. Give myself a little plug in there.
What about audio?
Audio's done. If you just want, the audio for the game, it's already set up. If you want to add your mic as well, you could just add it. And you see here it's live, so if I clap.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
So that's it. You just mute it. If this wants to load, it sometimes takes a little second or two. There it is. And we are live, so we can actually go and look at the picture quality, which is quite good.
I won't be able to do justice with this, but yeah, it is. From like what I see here, it's very crisp. Camera, you probably wouldn't be able to see it that good, but
a little bit of a ticking noise. I think it's just because we're playing it live and it's doing that, right? So
yeah, it probably matters what mic you use too, right?
Yeah. But that's it.
All right, so that's how you set up the Elgato HD60 S Plus capture card using Twitch and Streamlabs with your laptop. We did it on Xbox. The same process would apply to PlayStation. And basically you just add it as a video source there, and then you log into your Twitch account and you're good to go. You can do it all from there. So hope that helps you guys out. As far as audio, if you're going to ask me why your audio is like hissing, buzzing, all that, that probably is the mic you're using. You might need like an actual, like not a USB mic, you know what I mean? Like what's it called, man? A condenser microphone or something like that, right? So that's pretty much it. But yeah, that's how you do it. Hope it helps you guys out. See you in the next video. All right? You want to say peace? There you go.